Good morning, judges, teachers, my friends, and all of you who here and watch me right now. How are you all? I hope all of us are great. Let me introduce myself. My name is Angelina Kewapain, but you can call me Anggi. I'm from Satu Atap Riang Duli Junior High School. First of all, I want us to thank the Almighty God for His blessing and mercy, so we are all in good condition now. Today, I'm standing in front of you to deliver a speech with the title Adaptation at School in the 21st Century. Ladies and gentlemen, what comes in your mind when you hear about 21st century? In general, what I know about 21st century education is advancement. This advancement requires us to up to date with all situations in life in order to survive with the needs of time. Education at school is the bridge for the students to face their life. Therefore, school must adapt concept of 21st century in the process of teaching and learning. At least, there are four aspects which are going to develop in this 21st century education, such as ways of thinking, ways of working, tools of learning, and how to live in the global world. First one, ways of thinking. Now on, we don't find any more question which can be answered only by understanding or remember. We are expected to explore the high level of thinking like applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. In order to help the students learning those aspects, teacher can assign them to do the research in group, conduct a project, and other activities that relate with the students' real life. The second is ways of working. Education in 21st century has the purpose to help the students increase their ability in doing collaboration. Collaboration is more important rather than competition. Why? Collaboration is not merely about working together, but more than it, we learn how to respect each other. It can be their ideas, their perspectives, and so on. By doing collaboration, we can economize the time since there are many people who speak out their opinions. Activities at school which can help students develop this skill like discussion, presentation, and other activities in group. The third is tools of learning. Technology being the important part in the 21st century. Therefore, technology is expected to be included in the process of teaching and learning. For example, do experiment or research, find out the information from the internet, and then presenting it in the classroom by using media of technology. The fourth is how to live in the global world. As I mentioned before, education at school prepares the students to live and face the global world. The students have to understand that they have a role to keep the environment safe and participate actively as global citizens. Students are guided to communicate constructively toward others and be able to accept different perspectives. Concerned teachers have responsibility to guide the students planning their career in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, education must be flexible. What I mean here is education must be able to adapt itself with the changes of time. We could not defend our way in new era. If it is so, then education at school will be useless since there is no connection between education and real life. Live this life, study happily, but don't forget to give space for changes because adaptability is simple secret to survive. That's all from me. Thank you very much.